I'm Father Richard Ang, OP, Hong Ching's son, and I am the Rector and President of the University of Santo Tomas. My father came from a family of 10 siblings. My mom came from a family of 8 siblings, so hindi lahat sila nakapagtapos. They made it a point to send their children to school. I studied in St. Stephen's High School. I learned a lot from St. Stephen's High School, especially when it comes to diligence in studies. Because I was in the star section when I was in the elementary and high school. It was highly competitive. I was not really the best student, one of the ordinary students in class. As a kid, ang dami kong naging dreams noon. So, there was a time gusto kong maging journalist. There was a time gusto ko ring maging yung broadcaster ba sa TV. Never ko naisip na I want to do business. Parang hindi ako tulad ng ibang mga Chinoy. When I got into college, I made up my mind by choosing the University of Santo Tomas. And in fact, theology was one of my favorite subjects in college. During college days ko, nandyan yung yung idea na to pursue priesthood. Kasi may mga classmates ako sa philosophy class namin na mga seminarista o mga ex-seminarista. So, nakikilala ko sila. So, we were working together sa aming religious organization. So, siguro na build up yung interest. Ganito lang nangyari. Sinabihan lang ko ni Father Rivera, yung regent namin, mag-graduate ka na, punta ka ng Santo Domingo, mag-apply ka ron to the Dominican Order, subukan mo lang, baka makapasa ka. Sumunod lang ako, sabi ko, wala namang mawawala. Kung di ko tutuloy, di hindi. I was in the seminary from 1990 until 1998. So it was in 1998 when I was ordained to the priesthood. Pero marami akong pinagdaanan Pagpasok ko rito sa UST, later on, inassign akong maging faculty secretary ng ecclesiastical faculties. Yun ang unang exposure ko to administrative work. When I finished my PhD, director then of UST, Father De La Rosa, assigned me to become the purchasing director. So after that, iba naman, napunta naman ako sa Office of the Vice Rector. So, I was in the Office of the Vice Rector for 8 years. Nung nagpandemya, na-elect ako na rector ng UST right in the beginning of the pandemic. But when I started in this office, there was a lockdown. During that time, ang hirap na maging administrator kasi all schools, perhaps all of us were caught unprepared for the pandemic. But eventually, sa awa ng Diyos, after a year, nakapag-adapt lahat. Ngayon, switch naman to face-to-face kung kailangan to be physically present in the campus. Right now, in this term, I'm teaching philosophical anthropology. Last semester, I was teaching Chinese philosophy. Other than that, I used to teach ancient Greek philosophy, moral philosophy. Kasi para sa akin, yung education, hindi lang naman ito yung education of the mind. You also have to educate the heart. So, dapat holistic Well, hindi ako terror teacher. Siguro nung bata-bata pa ako, nag-start ako nung mga 1994, pero through the years, nagme-mellow ka. So ngayon, pag hindi makasagot yung estudyante, okay lang yun kasi they are entitled to commit mistakes. Kasi doon sila matututo. Gusto kong makatulong, no, sa mga kabataan by becoming more compassionate, which is one of the values, no, of the University of Santo Tomas. I think one of the things that I learned from my parents is simplicity of lifestyle. If you have a simple lifestyle, you tend to be more contented, you tend to be happier and to be more joyful. Education should be lifelong. It doesn't stop when you graduate from college, or it doesn't stop when you are able to pursue your PhD. You continue to learn every day from your experiences and also from the people you deal with. The moment that you stop learning is the day that you grow old. But if you continue learning new tricks, new ways of doing things, you will always stay young and you'll never grow old, but you will be able to do the things that you are aiming for in life.